Let's talk Jāņi. There is basically no wrong way of celebrating Jāņi as long as you stay awake through the night to witness the sunrise, but generally we can distinguish 3 different levels of Jāņi festivities. Traditional Līgo and Jāņi. Jesus was born on Christmas and died on Easter, but on Midsummer he was probably on vacation somewhere, because basic traditions of Jāņi are mostly pagan. You get in your traditional outfit, you sing a couple of very slow and sad songs, walk in a circle around bonfire and have some very dry cheese with beer and struggle to stay awake for sunrise because your idea of what is fun was heavily affected by trauma somewhere along your childhood. All in all, not very fun, but very spiritual. For a level 2 you add some activities that make you actually feel alive, like jumping over a bonfire instead of walking around it, bathing naked in the morning dew, and of course dancing in Zaļumbāle. Zaļumbāle, an outdoor dancing event with Jāņu Schlager music and optional fighting. The fun fuel for ancient Latvians was beer. Today, of course, the technologies have evolved. So you might say that some of the Jāņi traditions have also become more spiritual. These include drunk driving and dying, drunk swimming and dying, and running naked through town, dying optional. In this level the Zaļumbāle can also be included, the fighting part. Whatever you do, remember, the goal is to witness the sun rising up in the morning. It helps a lot if you are alive by then. If you are not, then you are doing Jāņi wrong. Next up, foods and drinks.